So yesterday I put up a lot of videos saying we could see a very huge crash on a lot of coins. Basically, as you can see, huge warning looming, and since then we have seen that crash on a lot of coins, including YFI right here. We saw that crash, and so what is going to happen next? I will show you in today's video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So today we are going to be looking at YEARN Finance or YFI, currently at the $8,653 level, currently ranked at the 163 with a market cap of about $287 million right here for YFI. The 24-hour volume is right there at the $73 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So YFI is down about 3.5% on the day. And without further ado, let us push to the chart. So we're on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? So we have been saying that so far YFI still remains above this white line right here. This is our bull market EMA. We said so far prices are still above this bull market EMA. We are still bullish, and we should still be expecting higher price targets, right? We're expecting prices to come into this $9,676 level. We saw prices come in, and we said yesterday that expect some sort of a crash, right? We saw that crash pull back into the 200 EMA, and currently we are seeing some sort of sideways price action. So what is going to happen next, right? Currently we should expect some sort of sideways price action happening right here for YFI, right? So far we are still above these 200 EMA. It means YFI is still bullish, and we should still expect even further more upside, right? Even though momentum is giving up some little bearish divergences, we could just see our prices just push to the sideways, probably another week to the downside right here for YFI, but YFI still remains bullish, and we are still expecting higher right here for YFI, right? So we have been saying right here for YFI that so far YFI is not going below these 200 EMA. Expect even for the push. We are still seeing currently even a bullish price action coming in right here for YFI. So even though on the momentum chart we are still seeing some sort of huge bearish divergence, as you can see, some little bullish price action is coming in right here for YFI, and so we should expect some sort of sideways price action in this level, and this $8,000 level right here for YFI, before we see that push to the upside right here for YFI. So YFI still remains bullish, and we are expecting higher. That's the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a lovely day ahead.